Let's start our tour in the heart of Old Quebec with the lively Bistro 1640 and Hôtel Manoir Morgan. Their striking red roofs make them iconic landmarks, offering a cozy mix of history and hospitality. These buildings are perfect for a stop to soak in the town's vibrant street life. Next, we visit Maison Mathieu-Ducharme, a piece of Canadian heritage. The plaques commemorate its historical significance, blending the town's colonial past with modern preservation. Walking through the St. Louis Gate, one of Old Quebec's fortified entrances, is like stepping back in time. This well-preserved structure is part of the only remaining fortified city walls in North America, north of Mexico. Here we have the Quebec National Assembly Building. Its stately architecture reflects the province's French roots, while the surrounding gardens offer a peaceful place to reflect on Quebec's political history. From this wider perspective, you can see the full elegance of the National Assembly. The building serves as both a legislative hub and a symbol of Quebec's unique cultural identity. Approaching the entrance, the National Assembly becomes even more awe-inspiring. Statues and fountains tell stories of Quebec's history, while modern installations connect the past with the present. Up near the Citadel, this path offers breathtaking views of Old Quebec's skyline. The church spires and distant hills perfectly capture the town's serene and picturesque setting. This charming historic house near the Citadel showcases Old Quebec's architectural diversity. The cannon outside serves as a reminder of the area's strategic military past. No trip to Old Quebec is complete without admiring the Frontenac. Often called the world's most photographed hotel, its iconic silhouette dominates the town's skyline. From the Dufferin Terrace, the St. Lawrence River stretches out in all its majesty. This vantage point offers a perfect blend of natural beauty and the bustling activity of Quebec's port. From this alternate angle on the Dufferin Terrace, you can see how the greenery of Old Quebec contrasts beautifully with the wide, open waters of the St. Lawrence River, offering yet another stunning perspective of this historic city. And finally, as we gaze across the river to the city of Lévis, the glimmering waters remind us of Old Quebec's enduring connection to the St. Lawrence. It's a timeless view that captures the essence of this UNESCO World Heritage Site.